Look at this. It looks like someone here, this could be action, but more likely action and communicating, no? So I do pick up that this person here is someone who will communicate with you, okay? But look at that, okay? Yung dartboard ay shape heart. So ibig sabihin, this could be a love communication or a type of conversation na ang pag-uusapan or usapin ay love. Yan. So let us see other informations related to this. Okay. You've already got the right energy, so let's see. Ace of Swords, Page of Wands energy, Queen of Wands. There could be an age gap right in here. Someone here could be older or younger than the other. It could be you or it could be him. Okay, pero kung meron man rito non-age difference, hindi naman yun ganun kalayo, no? Okay, so okay. Nakikita natin dito that this person right here, no, is someone nakikita ko dito may pagtangi siya sa'yo. Look at how this person here looks at you. Yan, no? See? And it looks like with the Queen of Wands energy, you also have other options around you. Okay? So kung sino man to, yeah, we're hearing that song. Mayroon akong nais malaman, maaari bang magtanong? Yan. So, maaring this person right here is probably meron siyang gustong itanong sa inyo, but it looks like you're not facing him or her, okay? So, yung nakikita natin dito. No? But definitely, this person right here is someone who has this intense emotions and feelings for you. Okay? This person right here could be wanting to talk to you. Ace of Swords is communication, conversation. I do not see that this is your ex. Like, hindi. No? This could be a new person right in here. Okay? So, this person right here is someone na gusto ditong makipag-usap sa'yo. Maaring may gusto talagang itanong, no? Na nakikita natin dito. Others of you, you already know this person's intention. Knight of Coins, Nine of Wands, Four of Coins, Eight of... Yeah, definitely someone who really wants to work on this. Eight of Pentacles, Three of Coins right in here. Brand new energy. Look at that, see? Brand new energy. Araw-araw, mas lalo siyang nai-inlove sa'yo. Mas lalong tumitindi yung kanya ritong feelings at emotions sa'yo. With this rumaragasang falls, no? With the Ace of Cups energy, no? We have here the High Priestess and the Seven of Cups. Okay, bottom of the deck, we have here the Temperance energy, Queen of Coins, and the Page of Swords. Oh, this could be someone here na nililigawan kayo, okay? Or isa sa mga taong nag-e-express ng kanyang emotions and feelings for you guys na iba naman sa inyo, no? Pwedeng wala naman kayong other manliligaw or wala namang ibang nagpapahayag dito ng emotions and feelings pero may mga nagkaka-crush at humahanga sa'yo na hindi nire-reveal ang kanilang selves. Pero yung iba naman, maaring meron kayo ritong choices or options when it comes to love. At isa na nga, itong tao na ito dito. So, bago natin pag-usapan pa ito more, let me just greet everybody first. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Istam buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi mo pa alam, may main channel tayo kung saan nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs every day. And syempre, no, kung hanap ninyo ay reading per zodiac sign, meron din tayo. doon. So, yun nga wala tayo dito 'no, na gender, pakatandaan niyo 'yan, reminders natin 'yan palagi ng babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Puwede rin pong i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit kasi general reading po ito. And at the end of the day, lahat po ay may free will na free niyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. At yun nga nakikita natin dito mga babes 'no, kung sino man 'tong energy yeah, we're hearing another song. Puwede bang sabihin mo, maghihintay ako sa'yo, 'yan 'no. So, talagang meron talaga siyang gustong itanong sa'yo 'no, kasi this person right here 'no, meron talaga siya ritong gustong malaman from you 'no, kasi puwede bang sabihin mo. Kasi parang may energy siya ritong willing naman siyang maghintay. So, maybe this person here, sabi ko nga sa inyo, marami sa inyo ang alam niyo na ang intention niya. With the Queen of Wands energy, you are not slow and you are someone here na puwedeng alam mo na nanliligaw siya sa'yo or may feeling siya sa'yo ano. So, nakikita ko yun dito 'no. So, this person right here, kung hindi pa siya dito nanliligaw sa'yo, maaaring ang gusto niyang itanong sa'yo is puwede ba siyang humingi ng permission 'no, to court you or ligawan ka 'no, or puwede ba siyang ritong magparating or mag-express ng emotions and feelings sa'yo 'no, okey. Baka yung iba gusto malaman dito kung taken na ba kayo or available ba kayo rito 'no, kung ready ba kayo rito or open for relationship 'no. So, maaaring yun yung mga gusto niyang malaman, asking for permission bago manligaw or magpahayag ng kanyang emotions and feelings para sa inyo. Definitely a brand new energy, not your ex of course. And nakikita natin dito 'no, na yung iba sa inyo puwedeng nanliligaw na siya, pero ang gusto niyang malaman is kung may pag-asa ba siya. Ayan 'no, kasi with the Knight of Coins energy, maaaring meron na ritong lumilipas na medyo tumatagal-tagal na ang kanya ritong pag-e-express ng emotions and feelings for you 'no. So, maaaring gusto niya na ritong malaman yung mga ganyang bagay dito 'no. Gayunpaman, this person here is still holding dito sa inyo dahil kayo ang kanya ritong minamahal 'no. So, nakikita ko dito na willing talaga siya rito to wait here for you guys. This person, this is a double confirmation, nagtabi pa 'to. Three of Coins and the Eight of Coins energy, double confirmations that this person is willing to work on this, no? And wala rin naman siyang ibang hinihintay, no? Kundi kayo lang, no? Well, hagin. Hagin means right in Korean, no? So, meaning to say, nakikita natin na itong tao na to ay nilalagay ka sa high pedestal with the high priestess energy, no? And hindi siya dito nako-confuse mga babes, no? Pagdating sa feelings niya for you, no? Pero, dito siya parang naguguluhan 'no, with this Seven of Cups energy 'no. Kung meron ba siyang chance sa inyo, may pag-asa ba siya sa inyo, lalo na yung iba medyo matagal-tagal na kayo ritong nililigawan or matagal-tagal na rito nagpapahayag or nag-e-express ng kanilang emotions and feelings for you. So, gusto nila malaman 'no, okey, kung may pag-asa ba sila 'no, sa iyong heart 'no. Huwag mag-alala kasi this person here is someone who's very nice. So, nakikita ko na yung tanong na 'yan is someone na hindi naman magpu-put ng pressure sa inyo kasi maiisipan niya 'yan ng tamang way kung paano niya 'yan maitatanong 'no, in a nice na paraan. So, nakikita natin dito that this person here really wants to talk to you guys. This person right here is someone who's willing to wait for you 'no, and I do see na yun pala yung gusto niyang itanong, 'di ba? Dun pa lang sa ating unang, lyric song 'no, na na narinig 'no or napakinggan kanina 'no with that, Kuya Oggie's song, 'di ba? Yung puwede bang magtanong, napakagalang niya. This person right here is someone who's polite, okay, who has this respect for you guys. So, nakikita ko dito, babe, okay, that this person right here is such a good person. I'm also viewing this kind of light and positive white aura surrounding this person. So this is someone here, no, na okay siya, no, na individual, no. Nakikita ko dito that this person right here, no, is someone who's not a bad person, okay, but definitely a good one, yan. And also nakikita natin dito, no, sa side mo naman with the Queen of Wands energy, no, I do see that you're handling multiple tasks, 'no. So, nakita ko rito 'no, kumbaga sa ano mga babes, hectic ang schedule mo. Puwedeng busy ka kasi dito sa work, ayan 'no, nakita ko dito busy ka sa trabaho mo with the appearing din ng Queen of Pentacles energy, busy ka sa work mo, busy ka dito sa hina-handle mo dito sa career mo, sa job mo 'no. And yung iba puwedeng you have multiple jobs, okay. You could be, having 2 jobs for others of you 'no, maybe you also, um has part-time jobs 'no, or yung iba naman puwedeng you have a trabaho and then you also have a small business 'no, na parehas na, ah, operating ngayon 'no or gumagana ngayon 'no, parang gano'ng klase ng energy 'no. And also, not just that, with the Nine of Wands energy, it looks like meron ditong parang mga, dini-deal ka rito 'no, na mga baka mga importanteng schedules, um mga sinet ninyo na parang mga lakad ng barkada, friends mo, no, coworkers, busy ka with your own life. Yun yung nakikita ko dito 'no. So, hindi mo talaga pinaghihintay itong tao na 'to on purpose na kasi unang-una hindi ka gano'n, 'yan 'no, nakita ko yun dito. You are just a busy person, okay. Kumbaga busy bee ka 'no, tinatawag kang gano'n 'no, busy bubuyog. BCB 'no, kaya nakikita natin dito 'no, na kayo 'to na klase ng energy that, a lot of things going on in your life, okay, in money, and in also 'no, sa iyo rito na social life 'no, together with your family, baka may outing, lakad 'no, kasama na rin yung friends 'no, labas, gala with friends 'no, and yeah, eh, possible na, you want love, but love is not your top priority. 'No? But doesn't have to be that you're putting this person here on purpose na paghintayin siya, like hindi ha. Nakikita ko rito 'no, na with this Page of Swords energy, and there's this Temperance, Miss 'yan kasi hindi ko sinasabi pa yung gusto kong iparating sa kanya kasi inoobserbahan ko pa yung sariling emotions and feelings ko. Kasi hindi mo naman papayagan or pahihintulutan 'tong person na 'to 'no, na ligawan ka rito 'no, kung wala kang nakikitang potential sa kanya 'no. Yeah, definitely with the Page of Swords energy, you're seeing a potential na maaari talagang maging, maayos rito na partner itong tao na 'to, 'no? You're definitely seeing a potential. That's why hindi mo siya rito sinasabihan na, "Oh, itigil mo na yung panliligaw mo," 'no, or hindi mo siya nire-reject dito, 'no? Because you are still observing your emotions and feelings, and aside from that, you are also dealing here with a lot of ganap, marami kang ganap sa buhay mo. So, hindi mo talaga siya pinaghihintay 'no, nakakita ka din ng potential sa kanya 'no, okey. So, I do see that you also want to give this person here a chance 'no, but you're still trying 'no, to see your own emotions and feelings for this person, 'yan 'no. So, bibigyan ko naman siya ng sagot, Miss 'yan, with the Temperance energy, once na makapag-decide na ako dito. But definitely this person here has lots of potential. Nakakita ako ng potential sa kanya, Miss 'yan. Nakikita ko rin dito yung mga gusto ko sa isang partner na nasa kanya. That's why eh, this person here is hindi ko nire-reject, okey, kundi inoobserbahan ko siya at ang aking sariling feelings and emotions, 'yan 'no. Pero yun nga 'no, sabihin mo na lang siguro babes kasi kakausapin ka na niya rito, eh. Tsaka willing naman siyang maghintay 'no, 'pag sinabi mo yun maiintindihan niya, okey. So, prepare na lang din 'no to tell it sa kanya personally, okey, or face to face, taray. Face to face ni Chang-ami yarn. Nakikita natin dito 'no na maiintindihan niya rito, okey? Basta lang talaga sabihin mo sa kanya. See, you're also seeing this person here 'no, kahit na yung iba sa inyo may other options kayo, nakikitaan mo siya rito ng meron talaga siyang mas lamang na potensyal as a man or as a woman 'no, to be in love with, okay. And also 'no, nakikita natin dito 'no, na itong person na 'to is really such a nice guy naman talaga or nice woman right in here. Maganda rin yung pag-uugali niya rito 'no. So, mabait ito. Mm. 'no? And nakikita ko rin dito that this person right here wants you already give your decision, 'no, to accept this individual right here because you see a lot of potentials, okay? So nakita ko that with this Ace of Cups energy, nakita natin dito that this person here wants na magbigay ka na ng decision mo, 'no, and you will give it a go. Nakita ko na mas tataas pa at lalakas, I mean, yung current nitong falls na 'to, 'tong waterfalls na 'to ng kanyang love for you. Yan, oh. 'Di ba malakas na 'to, tingnan mo. Ayan, oh. Super strong na nung currents niyan, 'di ba? Pero kapagka nagbigay ka na ng desisyon to accept this person right here because you will see more potential sa kanya, 'no, in the upcoming days, weeks, 'no, and mga darating na buwan, mas lalo pang lalakas, 'no, yung current niyan, 'no? And these are his or her emotions and feelings for you now, okay? Pero maaaring hindi mo na talaga makita yung tubig diyan 'no, kasi puro ano na lang 'di ba 'pag sobrang taas ng currents 'no, puro ano na, tawag nito, puro parang usok 'di ba, parang anong tawag dito, yung parang ano, talsik ng tubig na nagmumukhang parang vapor, 'yan 'no, sa air, parang gano'n, sa sobrang lakas 'no. So magigi pa ritong malalim at malawak, ibig sabihin, ang kanyang emotions and feelings 'no, and that is the symbol meaning of the water. Okay. So yeah, for the initials right here, yes, we do have. Okay, we have here letter M. Andito rin ang letter P. Andito rin ang letter U. Mawawala ba naman ang letter S. Plus, nandito din ang letter L. And last but not the least, the letter E. Yan. So, those are all the messages I've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. And again, I'm Yuriana Oni. Sarang Heyo, love and light. 안녕.